Fills within grooves are really cool. Here's how you play one. 1, 2, 3. That. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is a cool fill to play within grooves if you want to kind of move your backbeat around a little bit. Displace your snare drum. Get spicy with it. Excuse me while I read this out. It feels more complicated than it is. So the first bit we're going to look at is 1 E and a 2 E and right, left, left, kick, kick, right. Big accent on the left. So then we're going to go from the accent. We're going to go left, right, right, left, left, kick, and a 3 E and a 3 E and a 3 E and a. See if we can stick those together because it's plain sailing after that. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. And just to keep things simple at the end, it's literally right, left, left. Means you can get out of it nice and quickly. Stick it all together, we get this. Ah! So good, I love it. Now take it away. Fast as you like, but make sure you've got it nice and slow. I personally really like to do this kind of thing to a 16th note metronome, make sure it's all really locked in before we start going crazy speeds.